Namaste children. Today we are going to see the next chapter, that is Sishulalanam. This lesson is in the form of a conversation pattern, that is in the form of a Natakamsham or Natyamsham. We shall now see the main characters in this chapter. They are Ramaha, that is Rama, Vidushakaha, Lavaha and Kushaha, that is Rama, Vidushaka, Lava and Kusha are the four main characters in this chapter. Now we shall go to the lesson. So the lesson starts like this. Simhasanasthaha Ramaha tataf pravishatah vidushakenopadisyamana tapasau kushalavau. Simhasanasthaha Ramaha, Rama seated on the throne. Tataf pravishatah, there enters. Vidushakenopadishyamana margau, they who were shown the way by the jester. Tapasau Kushalavav, the innocent Kusha and Lava. We shall see the whole meaning of this line. Rama is seated on the throne. There enter the innocent Kusha and Lava, being shown the way by the jester. Moving forward. Vidushakaha. Now Vidushaka is speaking. Ita ita Aryav. Ita ita Aryav means here, here, sir. Kusha and Lava is replying to that. Kusha Lava. Ramam upasritya pranamya cha. Api kushalam maharajasya? Ramam upasritya pranamya cha. Pranamya is bowing and upasritya is going towards. So Ramam upasritya, going towards Rama and bowing to him. Api kushalam maharajasya, is the king doing well? The whole meaning. So now the Kusha and Lava are seeing the Rama and asking, going towards Rama, bowing to him, is the king doing well? Now we shall see the reply of this one. Ramaha Yushmad Darshanat Kushalamiva Bhavatoho Kim Vayamatra Kushala Prashnasya Bhajanam Eva Na Punarathiti Jana Sammuchitasya Kanthashleshasya Parishvajya Aho Hridayagrahi Sparshaha. Shall see the word to word meaning of this. Yushmat Darshanat Kushalam Iva. I am fine by seeing you. Bhavatoho, your both. Kim Vayamatra, we are. Kushala Prashnasya Bhajanam Eva, only the receiver of enquiries of well-being. Punarathiti Jana Sammuchitasya, but that which befits the guest. Na Kanthashleshasya, not embracing. Parishvajya, having embraced. Aho, alas. Hridayagrahi, heart rendering. Sparshaha, touch. We shall see the whole meaning of this line, that is what Rama is telling. So now the Rama replies, I am fine by seeing you both, but are we only the receivers of enquiries of well-being and not the embrace which befits the guest? Having embraced, alas, the touch is heart-rending. We shall now see who is talking. Ubhau, Rajasanam khalvetat na yuktam adhyasitum. Rajasanam khalvetat. This is indeed the seat of the king. Na yuktam adhyasitum. It is not proper to climb there. Ubhau refers to they both, that is the Kusha and Lava. This is indeed the throne of the king, which is not proper to be climbed upon. We shall move forward. For which now Rama is giving a reply. सव्यवधानं न चारित्रलोपाय तस्मादङ्क व्यवहितमध्यास्यतां सिंहासनम् अंकमुपवेशयति. Savyavadhanam, with something in between, na charitrya lopaya is not wrong. Tasmad anka vyavahitam, therefore with the tie in between, adhyasyatam, climb up, simhasanam, the throne. Ankam upaveshayati, seats them in the thighs. So now the Rama is replying for them, but it is not wrong to do so with something in between, that is the throne and you both. Therefore, climb up the throne with the thigh in between. Saying so, seats them in his thighs. We shall now move forward. Ubhav Anicham Natayataha Rajan Alam Atidakshinyena. Anicham Natayataha, expressing their desirelessness. Rajan, hey king, Alam Atidakshinyena, enough of extreme compassion. So for that, the two kids, that is both Lava and Kusha, are replying, expressing their desirelessness, ho king, enough of extreme compassion. Rama is telling, Alam ati shalinataya. Alam ati shalinataya means enough of exhibiting extreme good character, and now he is also telling us shloka. Bhavati shishujano vayonurodhat gunamahataamapi lalaniya eva vrajati himakaropi bala bhavat pashupati mastaka ketakachhadatvam. I repeat the shloka. Bhavati shishujano vayonurodhat gunamahataamapi lalaniya eva vrajati himakaropi bala bhavat pashupati mastaka ketakachhadatvam. Now we shall see its padacheda. Bhavati शिशु जनः वयोनुरोधात् गुणमहताम् अपि लालनीयः एव व्रजति हिमकरः अपि बालभावात् पशुपतिमस्तककेतकच्छदत्वम्. Now we shall see its अन्वयम्. शिशुजनः अपि वयोनुरोधात् गुणमहतां लालनीयः एव भवति. यथा बालभावात् हि हिमकरः अपि पशुपतिमस्तककेतकच्छदत्वं व्रजति. Moving on to the word to word meaning. Bhavati is Shishujanaho, a child. Vayonurodhat, due to the age. Guna mahatam api, for good natured people. Lalaniya eva, to be fondled. Vrajati becomes. Himakaropi, the moon too. Bala bhavad, because of being a child. Pashupati mastaka ketaka chedatvam, the adornment of the head of Lord Shiva. Pashupati means Shiva, Lord Shiva. Mastaka is the head. So now we shall move on to the full meaning of this shloka. Rama is telling, a child is to be fondled due to its age for good-natured people. For the moon becomes the adornment of the head of Lord Shiva due to it being a child. Now we shall get back to the lesson. Ramaha एष भवतोः सौन्दर्यावलोकजनितेन कौतूहलेन पृच्छामि क्षत्रियकुलपितामहयोः सूर्यचन्द्रयोः को वा भवतः वंशस्य कर्ता. We shall see the word to word meaning. एष भवतोः, this your, सौन्दर्यावलोकजनितेन, caused by the sight of your beauty. Kautuhalena, curiosity. Pritchami, I'm asking. Kshatriya Kula Pitamahayoho, among the forefathers of the Kshatriya clan. Surya Chandra Yoho, the sun and the moon. Ko va bhavataha, who is your. Vamshasya karta, clan's forefather. We shall see the whole meaning of this line. And now the Rama is telling, due to the curiosity caused by the sight of your beauty, I am asking this. Among the sun and the moon, who are the forefathers of the Kshatriya clan? Which clan do you belong to? We shall see the reply of the children. Lavaha, Bhagavan Sahasradidhitihi. Sahasradidhitihi means sun. So now Lava is telling Lord Sun for the question which was raised by Rama. Now Rama is asking, Ramaha, Katham Asmat Samanabhijanau Samrittau? Katham, how? Asmat Samanabhijanau, the same forefather as ours. Samrittau, you have turned out to be. So now Rama is asking, how come you have turned out to possess the same forefather as us? For the question raised by Rama, Vidushaka is replying. Vidushakaha, Kim dvayorapyekameva prativachanam? Kim dvayorapyekameva. What, for both of you only one? Prativachanam means answer. So Vidushaka is telling, what, for both of you only one answer? Lavaha, Bhrataravavam sodaryau. For which Lavan is telling, Bhrataravavam, we two are brothers. Sodaryau, born from the same mother. So now Lava is replying to the question which was raised by Vidushaka. We both are brothers, born from the same mother. On hearing the Lava's reply, Rama is telling, Ramaha, Samarupaha Sharira Sanniveshaha, Vayasastu na kinchidanantaram. Samarupaha, similarity, Sharira Sanniveshaha, in the physical form, Vayasastu, in the age, na kinchidanantaram, no difference. So now Rama is telling, there is similarity in the physical form, but they seem to be of no age difference also. For which Lava is replying, Lavaha Avam Yamalau. Avam, we both. Yamalau are twins. So Lava is telling, we both are twins. Now Rama, Ramaha Samprati Yujyate. Kim Namadheyam? Samprati Yujyate. Now it is proper. Kim Namadheyam? What are the names? So now Rama is again asking, now it is proper. What are the names? Now Lava is replying, Lavaha Aryasya Vandanayam Lava Ityatmanam Shravayami. Kusham Nirdishya Aryopi Gurucharana Vandanayam. Aryasya Vandanayam, on bowing to you, Lava Ityatmanam, Lava thus, Shravayami, I make you hear. Kusham Nirdishya, showing Kusha, Aryopi, he too, Guru Charana Vandanayam, on bowing to elders. So now Lava is replying, bowing to you, I make you hear as I am Lava. Showing Kusha, on bowing to elders, he too. Now we shall see who is speaking next. And now Kusha is replying, Kushaha, Ahamapi Kusha ityatmanam shravayami. Ahamapi, I am Kusha. Kusha ityatmanam, thus myself, shravayami, I make you hear. Kusha is replying, I make you hear as I am Kusha. With this, we shall end today's session, and in the next session, we shall continue with the same lesson. Thank you.